Hey guys, in this video I will show you how to transfer group members to another group in WhatsApp. Alright, so let's begin with the video. If you have one group and want to bring members into a different group, you can do it quickly by using an invite link. First, open WhatsApp and go to the group you want members to join. Make sure you're the group creator or an admin because you'll need access to the invite setting. Once you're inside the group, tap the group name at the top of the screen to open the group information page. Scroll down until you find the option called Invite via Link. Tap Invite via Link, then select Copy Link. This will copy your group's invitation link so you can share it anywhere you want. Now go back and open the group that already contains the members you want to move or invite. In the chat box, simply paste the invite link you copied and send it into that group. Once members receive the message, they can tap the invitation link and join the new group directly. And that's it. So that's basically how you can transfer group members to another group in WhatsApp. So that's all for this video. See you in the next one. Thanks.